Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers or bloggers earn six-figure incomes without ever showing their faces, running ads, or even having a single follower? Just a static background image, a simple product link, and suddenly they're making serious money. I used to think it was all a scam, but then I actually gave it a shot, and to my surprise, it worked. I made $200,000 through affiliate marketing without an audience, without a single ad dollar, and without creating any viral content. All I had was my laptop, a few AI tools, and a strategy that actually worked. Welcome back to AI Explorer, your go-to source for the boldest AI strategies, latest automation hacks, and smartest online money-making methods. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how I earned over $200,000 with affiliate marketing from absolute zero. No followers, no paid ads, no social influence, just real results and a simple, repeatable method using tools that are either free or extremely affordable. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable blueprint to start making affiliate commissions even if you've never earned a single dollar online. Part 1. Affiliate Marketing in 2025. The New Age of Income. Let's begin with why affiliate marketing is more powerful than ever in 2025. The old model, requiring a huge blog audience or massive YouTube following, is officially outdated. Thanks to AI tools, content creation is faster and more strategic. Today, platforms like Quora, Medium, and Pinterest offer organic reach, completely for free. This democratizes online income. In fact, over 81% of brands now use affiliate marketing to boost their sales. That means more available offers, better payouts, and massive opportunities, if you know how to play the game smart. Part 2. Choosing the right affiliate offer. Choosing the right affiliate offer is the foundation of your income. Get this wrong, and your entire strategy falls apart. So how do you find high-paying, low-competition offers that actually sell and pay you month after month? Here's my exact criteria. I only choose offers with recurring commissions, a payout of at least $50 per sale, evergreen relevance, and ideally digital products, because they're easier to promote with no shipping hassles. The best platforms I used were PartnerStack, great for SaaS and B2B tools like Grammarly and NordVPN ClickBank, strong in health, fitness, and e-learning niches, Impact.com, huge variety with detailed analytics system IO, my go-to funnel builder with excellent recurring income Digistore24, loaded with trending digital courses, CJ Affiliate, connects you with mainstream brands and services. Personally, I started with a free System.io account and promoted an email marketing tool. With 60% lifetime commissions, it was a no-brainer. Part 3. Using AI to pick your niche and products. Before promoting anything, I used ChatGPT to help me discover the best niche for long-term domination. The process was simple. I opened ChatGPT, you could also use Claude or Google Gemini, and asked it to list 10 profitable affiliate niches with low competition and high buyer intent for 2025. It gave me incredible ideas like AI tools, remote productivity, financial automation, no-code SaaS, health tech, and creator tools like Veed, Jasper, and Descript. I chose AI for content creators, a booming niche I understood well. Part 4. Content strategy without an audience. Here's where the magic happens. How do you promote affiliate links without an audience? Simple. I used a 4-platform playbook to generate free targeted traffic. Quora. I answered niche-specific questions using ChatGPT to write high-value responses and included my affiliate link or a free lead magnet. Medium blog. I published in-depth tutorials like how I built an AI-powered business for free, embedding affiliate links naturally. Pinterest. Using Canva. I created eye-catching pins like top 3 AI tools that pay you daily, then linked them to my blog or funnel. YouTube Shorts. I used stock footage and AI voiceovers to post explainer videos such as, "This tool pays me every month, and it's free to start." These platforms brought in consistent traffic, even without a single follower. Part 5. AI tool stack I used now. Let's break down the exact tools I used to make this entire system run smoothly, without spending a fortune. For content generation, I primarily used ChatGPT and Claude, both of which helped me write blog posts, email sequences, and even entire video scripts like this one. When it came to creating videos, I used Pictory and Veed.io to turn those scripts into polished YouTube shorts. Both tools offer free plans, which is perfect when you're just starting out. For design and visuals, I relied on Canva, which made it incredibly easy to create Pinterest graphics, lead magnets, and blog headers, all with pre-designed templates. My landing pages, email automations, and lead capture forms were all built using System.io, a free all-in-one funnel builder that also offers automation on the free plan. plan. Now, to be clear, you don't need every tool I just mentioned. My core stack was actually pretty simple: ChatGPT, Canva, Systeme.io, Medium, and Pinterest. With just those 5 tools, I built the foundation of a 6-figure affiliate funnel. Part 6, the exact funnel I used. Here's the funnel that generated over $200,000. Lead magnet. I created a free PDF using ChatGPT and Canva titled Top 5 AI Tools That Pay You Monthly. Landing page. Built in Systeme.io with a CTA. Download now to get your affiliate toolkit. Email sequence. A 5-day autoresponder set up on Systeme.io. Day 1, deliver PDF. Day 2, share a case study. Day 3, send a tutorial video. Day 4, show behind-the-scenes setup. Day 5, create urgency with a final day email. All automated, all free. Part 7, traffic results plus revenue breakdown. Now let's talk numbers, because results matter. After just 30 days of executing this strategy, the results blew my mind. But the real surprise came from YouTube Shorts. I uploaded short, engaging explainer videos using AI voiceovers and stock footage, and those racked up 25,000 views, leading to 1,100 conversions and a staggering $36,000 in commissions. And it didn't stop there. My email sequence, built into the funnel using Systeme.io, turned cold leads into loyal buyers. That sequence alone brought in 1,800 conversions, resulting in $112,000 in revenue. Altogether, I made $196,900 in just 45 days. And by day 48, the number crossed the $200,000 milestone. Part 8, the mistakes I made, so you don't. I learned a few hard lessons along the way. Too many offers. Stick to 1 to 2 offers per funnel to keep things focused. No tracking links. Always use Bitly or systems built-in analytics. Weak CTAs. Be clear about what action the viewer should take next. Part 9, monetization tips plus tools. Want to go even further? Here are some next-level strategies. Use ChatGPT to write full ebooks, sell them on Gumroad, and embed affiliate tools inside. Bundle affiliate products into a starter kit and promote it as a resource. Record Loom walkthroughs and embed them in blogs or Medium articles. Create a Notion dashboard full of affiliate links and promote it as a toolkit. Part 10, final thoughts plus action plan. Still not sure where to begin? Start here. Pick one niche, like AI tools, remote work, or health tech. Choose 1 to 2 affiliate programs. Build a lead magnet using ChatGPT and Canva. Set up your funnel with Systeme.io. Post daily content on Medium, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts. Activate your email autoresponder track performance. Refine and scale affiliate marketing without followers isn't a fantasy. I've done it, and now it's your turn. If this video sparked even a single idea, go ahead, like it, share it, and subscribe to AI Explorer. This is just the beginning. We break down powerful new strategies every single week. And if you want access to my exact prompts, landing page templates, and the full email sequence that generated $200,000, check the link in the description below. Now here's a question for you. Which platform are you starting with? Medium, Pinterest, or Quora? Drop your answer in the comments and let's build together. Blast off.